In this video, you will learn how to display inventory quantity on the product page on a Shopify website. Displaying the inventory quantity on a Shopify page can help customers know how many items are left. This can create a sense of urgency for customers, improving the shopping experience and your conversion rate. Here are the simple steps you can use to show inventory quantity on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify admin and log in. Then, navigate to online stores and then click themes. Click customize on the themes you're using. Check if your theme has an option to enable inventory visibility. This may be in the product page settings or under a product detail option. Enable the feature and save the changes. If that doesn't work, you may need to use a Shopify app. Shopify apps such as Stocky are great apps for managing inventory and showing stock levels to its customers. To install the app, go to Shopify App Store, search for inventory display app, such as Stocky, then choose the app that fits your needs. After that, follow the installation process of Stocky, then your inventory will be shown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.